Hello everyone, this is Jeff. Welcome to Olink Technology, a professional cable harness manufacturer with IATF 1C949 certified.
Olink Technology is a IATF 1C949 certified manufacturer on wire harness and cable assemblies with 12 years of industry experience, and all work procedures are according to IPC 620. Our main product category have customs wire harness for free telematics management, UTV, ATV, and golf cart. HSD mini fakra cable assembly for in-car multimedia systems. NMEA 2000 sense cable for marine and yacht device. Battery cable for electric forklift, snow plow, and trucks. LED rod lights wiring for trucks and Jeep LED light bar installer. Waterproof, fireproof cable assembly for bus fire alarm system and LED lights. Home EV charger and portable EV charger for EV car. DAC QSFP cable for data center networking infrastructure.